bunny here.
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit.
Pointed up
Hi,
ears.
sweetie. Cute.
Look at it. The bunny rabbit.
Hey, sweet pie.
Look at the sky now. So pretty.
It's eating.
The sunset is on that side. Ooh, there you go. The sunset.
That's okay, you didn't. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Bye-bye, bunny. So the sunset is on that one at Captiva Island. They have a really pretty sunset. It's about 35 minutes from here. Yeah, I know, so pretty, huh?
That's nice.
See the building are shining there. Pretty. Sky is pretty today. So you won't be able to see the sunset there, but you can see it from the sky from there. It's really pretty. Dana's ready to go. So it's about, I think it's already 6 o'clock. There's the view here, 6 o'clock here at Sanibel Island. Sanibel Inn. It's pretty. Look at the back. Here the sunset is up there. You can see it's 5 o'clock here at Sanibel. No, I think it's about 6 o'clock. The sky is so pretty, my goodness. See, the sunset is in this part of the island. That's in Captiva. So sunrise here in the morning, so pretty too. So that's the view today. See the beach. So pretty. Nice sun. There. Dana's find more starfish. That's pretty. Now you see the tide pool, Dana.
Yeah.
Because this morning you didn't see it. So they have a tide pool here. All the way here. And there's a sandbar here. And then the shore is up there. So it's low tide today. In the morning it's also look the same like this. So it's nice to see the sunrise. So that's pretty. The water is nice and calm today. So pretty. I miss at the Captiva Island the sunset. But it's pretty anyway here. It's nice. There's my baby. Oh, look at that. It's a big clam.
Yeah.
It's still alive, huh? My hermit. The video is not even on. Okay, here you go. You can see the hermit
Look,
crab
he's walking.
is walking. You can see his eyes.
Not a hermit crab, Mom.
What
That's
is
actually
this?
a snail.
A snail? You can see his eyes sticking out.
Yeah.
That's
Go on,
cute.
buddy.
Come on, buddy.
Walk faster.
No, leave it alone. Don't. Hey, you're gonna scare
What,
him.
Dana? What?
You can see the eyes Dustin is walking.
Yeah, I know.
Up, he's walking.
Look
he's
at him.
pushing.
Where are you going?
That's cute. Yeah, leave him alone. Yeah, he will hide.
Oh, he'll push up. Look,
Oh, he pushed his leg.
that ain't no leg.
Yeah, he's using that one. Like
That isn't a leg, but yeah, he uses it.
The sky here is getting prettier. It's already 7 o'clock. Look at the view.